We start with the current contemporary period in Italian fashion, so we look at some of the great designers that we know today, such as Dolce & Gabbana, Valentino, among others. And in our space, we decided to start with that and take a journey upstairs and find out how, through history and post-war, we got to today. Over the last several years, we've done a lot of exhibitions on design, industrial design. We showed automobiles, the great design schools and things happening in China, bicycle design, and we felt it was really important for us to explore the design in fashion and what that meant. So we found this exhibition and we thought deeply about it, but really what resonated with this show was the thesis, the ideas behind it, the incredible curation, the selection of very important objects that have not been shown before. So these are iconic and represent an entire movement in made in Italy and Italian fashion design. And I think also by thinking about the quality of the objects, the story and the thesis and the research behind it, but also what it means for Portland. We are a city of makers, much like Italy was and continues to be. And it was important for us to bring this collection here in this exhibition to connect to what's happening in our city. Part of the connection too, and this is something that I learned about through this process of thinking about this show, was Emilio Pucci. Emilio Pucci came here in the 1930s, actually graduated from Reed College in 1937, and then started his design interest in his company and ultimately created one of the great design couture firms in the world, which continues today. And that's an interesting connection for us. I hope visitors will be inspired, and I hope they learn something about post-war Italy, the relationship with the United States and Italy, the economic investments made by the Americans and the US into the European economy, and in particular Italy, and how that relationship blossomed and created this incredibly important global brand. I think also is to be inspired by beauty. And beautiful objects give us a sense of optimism, they give us a sense of hope. This exhibition in particular provides that escape and that opportunity to learn, but to also be inspired. It's a beautiful show, it's a fascinating show, it's an educational show, and it's an inspiration. So please come to the Portland Art Museum to see it.